is a very quick one, just to show you one setting that you need to change if you want your singing avatars to come out with real singing emotions instead of looking like they are talking or performing spoken word. So if you want genuine singing emotions,
you were waiting, arms wide open, spoke my name and chains were broken. You rescued me, pulled me out of the deep, set my soul on its feet.
This is the setting that you need to change. If you come to Create in AI Studio, upload your audio, now if you're in Avatar 4, of course you have to be using Avatar 4 if you actually want real quality and genuine singing emotions. This is the setting you need to change. Instead of just coming here and saying generate, you need to switch to advanced settings. And once you're here, this is where you actually describe exactly what you want to see with your avatar. Otherwise, it's going to come out just like it's talking. Here, you describe how you want it to sing. She sings, eyes softly closing as her mouth opens. And if you're not sure what exactly to put here, you can just copy and paste your lyrics, the portion that you want to work with, in ChatGPT, and you ask it to give you a custom prompt for custom motion for Heygen Avatar 4, and it will give you that. Once you do that, don't forget to hit generate. Okay, and that's it. That is what will give you genuine singing emotions. On the other hand, if you are not using the AI Studio, if you go straight to, if you're using photo to video, it's the same thing. Once you upload your photo here, upload your audio, you need to come down to advanced here. And the same thing, you need to describe or copy paste your instructions or your prompt if you have it from ChatGPT or elsewhere, and then you hit generate, and then it's going to capture that. That's all you need to give your avatar true, genuine singing emotions. Thank you. Until next time, this is Nelson Karanja for Global Oak Media.